Go. This is Luke McIntosh's bike check, sponsored by Hurley's.
Well, I got Colony 4 and Colony bars. And I got Academy Aspire deck frame in red, cherry red. And I just got the normal stocked wheels and hubs. And then I got animal grips in orange. Colony grips in orange. One of the best grips ever, in my opinion. And yeah, then I got just a shit seat. And I did my own. I got my own pedals. They're Shadow Conspiracy pedals. I did my own painting on my sprocket. Cause I wanted to be a gay boy, so I painted it pink. Because I didn't have purple. So it's not really that coded colour schemes. Sorry about that. Now here's some clips.
These are clips. It's those twits, mate.
See that 180? 180 bunny hop? That's the crazy rabbit. Thank you for watching my video. Please sponsor me.